So you've had an issue with a manufacturer from Alibaba. The first thing you want to do is contact Alibaba and let them know you have an issue, as well as contacting your manufacturer. So I'm going to show you on Alibaba how to contact Alibaba to let them know that you've had an issue. So we're on Alibaba.com. First thing you want to do is log in through here. Once you're logged in, you want to go to Help and Community. On Help and Community, you want to go to Submit a Dispute right here. We'll open up the Help Center where you can submit a dispute with Alibaba. So if you place the order through Trade Assurance, which is Alibaba's trade assurance program, you can submit the complaint right here. Now, if you didn't do it through Alibaba Trade Assurance, which happens quite a bit, you want to submit it through Offline Trade Dispute. That basically means that you met the supplier through Alibaba, but you processed your order off Alibaba. Meaning basically you used a money transfer, a bank transfer through American Express, FX, but you spoke to them the whole time through Alibaba and you met them through Alibaba. So we're going to press complaint. And complaining party is going to show your email address. The party to be complained, you want to enter their email address. So for this, we're going to use a@china.com. And now they ask what the problem was. So if you didn't receive the goods at all, goods not received after payment. If the goods received are not what you ordered, meaning there was major discrepancies in the order. So you ordered 5,000 units, 1,000 showed up. You ordered 5,000 units, half of them were broken, or the labeling wasn't correct, or it was different than the sample you received. You want to click this. If it's anything else that I didn't just mention, you do other trade disputes. Most likely it's probably goods received are not what I ordered. So you want to write the name of the product. For this, let's just use my product, car duster, transaction amount, let's say it was 10,000. Payment shipment date. So I usually enter the payment date. So let's say the payment date was March 1st. You are the buyer. How your money was sent. Most of the time it's going to be TT, which is money transfer through a bank. Description of what happened. Microfiber duster was damaged. Did not. Or telescoping handle, say, did not extend. So part of my product is it has a telescoping handle, one of my products. So that telescoping handle not extending would be a major issue because that's part of my competitive advantage. It's part of what I ordered. It's how the samples worked. So if that doesn't work correctly, that's what you want to do. So next you want to upload evidence. So you want to upload your payment and shipment documentation. So this would be your original order that you had with the supplier, as well as a copy of the American Express FX or whatever bank you transferred it from, showing that you actually transferred the money. Then you want to upload your shipment documents from your freight forwarder, which will most likely be from Shapiro. You can go on their website and get that if you don't have it. Communication records. So this is why we tell you to communicate through email rather than through Alibaba's direct site. It's easier to track the emails and find the emails you need. So the communication records, you want to copy those emails into a Word document and then select the file and upload the document. They want you to upload everything in one zip file. So the easiest way to do that is take all of the files you have for communications, put it inside a folder, and then highlight all those files. And if you're on a Mac or a desktop, most of them come with zipping programs, which are compression programs. You can just press right-click, or on a Mac, press Command and click, and it'll give you the option to zip those files and then send it as one zip file. Now, if you have any other sales contracts, invoices, or other agreements, you can submit that here. Others, I like to submit pictures of the damages, so you can show, it works really well if you show next to a sample, show how the sample differed from the product you received, show the damages on the product you received, if there was any, really give them any possible evidence so that you will win this case. They are really buyer focused and they will go after the supplier and make sure that they did do the right thing. At the bottom, it just asks for your contact information, sales at Prestige Auto Care, and then you want to click this box right here. Upon submitting this complaint, I agree to the agreement of user complaint center. Basically says that everything you're telling them is the truth. You do have a real issue and you need them to look into it. And from there, you just click submit and you're all set.